Hello all, my name is Pritam and you are watching Tech with Pri. Welcome to my channel, and technically this is the second video of my channel, as few days back I have uploaded a teaser video of my channel and it was for like 8 to 9 seconds, and there was my logo, channel's logo. And thanks to all of you who has supported me and who has already subscribed my channel. And so this is basically an introduction video where I'm going to discuss about why I'm creating this YouTube channel, what would be the contents of my channel, and who are my target audience, like that, and many more. So before going into it, so I just want to share, like, I am feeling pretty excited to be here in YouTube, because like from 2017 I was trying to create my own YouTube channel, but I couldn't make it possible, probably because I was not ready for it, or like I didn't have the courage to come up a platform like YouTube. All right. But finally in 2020, I'm here with Tech with Pri. All right. So now let's get into it. So I'm here with my pretty laptop and I have made some points that I'm going to discuss. Actually, these are not points, these are the questions that are already there in your mind, right? So I'm going to give the answer. So the first question is why I'm creating this YouTube channel. So from last 3.5 years, I'm working in an IT organization, and honestly, I've learned many things. I've learned many technologies, but what I've found is that until unless you come home and practice it, maybe in your laptop, or maybe you invest like certain times on certain topics, you don't get it. So my main point is, until unless you clear your concept, you don't enjoy, right? You don't enjoy the work if you don't know what you are doing, if you do not have the concept of certain things. So the same thing happened with me. So, and for last 1.5 years, thankfully, with the help of certain websites, with many YouTube channels, I cleared concepts of certain things. Okay. And when I realized, like, yes, now I'm ready to share this knowledge with you, then I decided to create my YouTube channel. So this is the main reason of creating my YouTube channel, and this is also the tagline of my YouTube channel. If you see, like, learning and sharing. So the more I will learn and more I will share with you. Okay. So let's move on to the second point. That is very important. What are the contents of my channel? So basically, I will start with the very basic concept of server and server operating system, the server client architectures, how it works. Next, we'll see Windows Server 2016, types of Windows Server that are available, and also like how you can install Windows Server ISO file from internet. In the next stage, we will like know about the virtualization, hypervisor. We'll download Oracle VirtualBox. We will install it and we'll create our first virtual machine. Sounds good? And then we'll install the Windows Server 2016 in it. And finally, in the next section, we will explore the Windows Server. So the videos will be there in a tutorial based way. Okay. So I will add it later in a playlist so that you can find it helpful, right? In Windows Server, we will configure several things like uh, DHCP, DNS. So don't worry about the terms. I'm going to explain it. And also we will install Active Directory, and we'll see how we can promote our server to domain controller before installing the ADDS or the Active Directory service. And then we will learn about the backup system, something about storage. We'll also see like how you can create a share folder, something like that, something on access management. We will create users in AD, and there'll be like also some funny things we're gonna do. Very very interesting, I personally like it. Like, we'll join a client computer and we will see with the help of group policy how we can play with that computer, like how we can control the user and the computers and all the access. So that's the job of administrator, right? Then we will move into the cloud computing. So this will be our main target, to move into the cloud, and we will look into the Microsoft Azure cloud service provider, and we'll like see various services of Microsoft Azure that are available. and also we'll explore many more things about Azure. Okay, so these are the contents of my channel as of now. Maybe later I will add some video, but as of now these are the contents. In the next point we have, who are my target audience? Okay, so let's see. The first, anyone who has any interest to learn about technology, learn about server client architecture, learn about how things are working in an IT organization. Okay, so you can come and learn it. Maybe you are in a different profession also, but you want to know about certain things, so you can come. Second, who are in college life, maybe wants to get a job in IT, wants to job in a different section, and they want to like learn about the Windows Server, Active Directory, how server client works, how network works, IP address, all these things. So again, you can come and learn from here. Third, those who are already in IT but they do not have much experience about Windows Server and Active Directory. Maybe they want to move to access management. That's the reason they want to learn about Windows Server. So they can also come. And finally, like those who already again working in an IT organization or any organization and they want to enhance their career with the help of the cloud. So they can also come and learn from here. So at the time, these are my target audience as per the course structure, as per the topics that I've covered, but later I will add more topic and this number will increase. Okay, so maybe you are right now thinking like, okay, fine, I don't need this video, so just share this video with your friends. Maybe they are looking for this video, maybe they are looking for enhance their career in cloud. Okay, so don't just sit down, please go ahead and share, right? So let's see the next question. So the how long the videos will be and the quality of the video. So the videos will be like for maximum 15 minutes. So no worries. Even I don't watch videos more than 15 minutes in YouTube, especially to clear my concept on certain things, on tech things or anything maybe. So not more than 15 minutes. So don't worry. And the quality of the video will be full HD. So no worries on that also. Next, the important one, how the video will represent. Now here, the video will represent in two ways. Okay, so first there will be a section where I will going to discuss about a certain topic with the help of some points in the PowerPoint slide. So wait, PowerPoint slide doesn't mean I will write a paragraph on that and I will read the paragraph. So there will be points and I will discuss the points and then we will demonstrate with a picture, and then finally with the help of the practical work, like practical demonstration, I will show you how it is you can configure certain things. So just take an example with about DNS. So first we'll see what is DNS with the help of some points. Then with the help of a picture, we'll understand how DNS works. And finally, I will show you how you can configure DNS in Windows Server. Okay, fair enough. Let's move into the next question. So how frequent the video will upload? So like a lot of people has asked me the same question. What I have decided for the time being is, so there will be two videos in a week. Okay, so and the day will be like Monday one and the next will be on Thursday for the time being. And maybe later after 2 months I will create something called Sunday Tech, where I can like do some separate videos, separate technical videos, like learning about WordPress, learning about like how you can start your own website with free and how you can create, or like how you can purchase domain name. So all these are things. So there are so many things to discuss. So gradually I will look into it. Stay tuned for that. Next is the website. So the website is already under progress. So I'm creating the website and within a month I will launch the website and I will create a separate video to discuss about my website. So it's basically like the YouTube videos will be there in my website with certain explanation. And next, the important point is I need your support, right? So guys, please, like your support is motivation for me, inspiration for me. Okay, so please support me by sharing this video with many people as possible. Okay, and ask them to like share their views on it. And if you have any question, if you like have great knowledge on cloud and servers, so you can come and also like provide me some guidance. Also, if you like this video, hit the like button and also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a video, you will get the notification, right? So guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching again, and see you on Monday. Yeah, Monday. We'll jump into server and server operating system. Again, thank you for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye.